What's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can distribute between different objects. So you can find it in object menu. We have this distribute. So first we need some objects, not only one, so we need some more objects here, so I can show you how we can distribute between them. So Control C, Control V, so I can make a copy and paste here. So we can distribute in two different, which is in horizontal and vertical. When you select all your objects, you click on align. So we have all the distribute objects. We have this vertical and also we have this horizontal. So from this small icons, you can identify how you can distribute. You can vertically distribute top, you can vertically distribute center, you can vertically distribute bottom, and horizontal left. We have horizontal center and we have horizontal right. So we have the same options like align. I can just go based with the align to selection. I can select this option based on the selection is going to distribute, or I can just select this distribute based on my artboard. So here with object menu and distribute, I'm going to click on vertical distribute top. So from top is going to distribute, and we have this vertical distribute center. So from center vertically is going to distribute. As you can see, from horizontal we have this space here which is bigger than this space. This space is really smaller. So here we have this vertical distribute bottom as well. So from bottom is going to distribute. So now let's try to distribute this in this order, which we have this. So you can go with this align to artboard if you just click. So based on artboard is going to distribute. So we have here, we have like horizontal distribute left. I can click at that. Horizontal is going to distribute this left. And also we have this horizontal distribute center. I can just click at that. So from the center is going to distribute, but vertically, as you can see, is not distributed. Control Z to undo. So we have this horizontal distribute right as well. So I can click on that. So from right we have this space, and also we have the equal space that we distribute between different objects here. So this is how you can use all this distribution between different objects here under object menu. So we have different options that you can use. So I can select all the objects. So under distribute we have this vertical and we have horizontal, which I can distribute with the top, with the center, with the bottom. And also with the horizontal I can do the same thing, which I can use this horizontal distribute left, center, and right. So this is how you can use all this distribute under this align panel. You can select this based on your selection. You can distribute it based on your selection and based on your artboard. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to distribute horizontally and vertically between different objects in Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.